Hi, my name is Tara O'Brien, and I made my website all about digital forensics. Digital forensics is the process of uncovering electronic data. The main goal of digital forensics is to preserve any evidence. Digital forensics is used a lot in court systems and helps solve a lot of cases throughout the electronic data. Digital forensics can go through anything such as texts, emails, any social media, anything that is on your digital device, a digital forensics investigator can find. Through this website, I have a table of contents. I will be talking about the purpose of digital forensics, the effects and impacts, the technical aspects, the relationships to data, and all the references that I used in this website. First, we're going to look at the purpose page. Here you see my banner, and we made this on Pixlr, which is an app that you can have on the computer, and you add your logo in, the backdrop of the banner, your name, and the name of the innovation. For the purpose page, a question is asked to indicate the name of the innovation and provide a clear description of its intended purpose, such as the problem that the innovation solved, the opportunity that the innovation created, or the discovery that the innovation made possible. The innovation that I chose, as we know, is digital forensics, which is the process of uncovering and interpreting electronic data. The overall goal of digital forensics is to find and preserve evidence that one's eyes couldn't find. One of the main reasons digital forensics is so known is because of its help to stop computer crime. Many businesses think they're slick and do some illegal stuff over the internet that they think the government won't be able to find, but with help of digital forensics investigators, anything that they've ever done over the computer can be found within seconds. Digital forensics helps solve almost all court cases having to do with computer crime. Not only does digital forensics find everything in every folder of your computer, but they also are unable to uncover every single deleted folder as well. People may think that when you delete something, it's gone forever, but not with this innovation. The next page is the effects and impacts page. And on the top, we do see my banner again, made from Pixlr. One of the questions says, explain a benefit and or harmful effect of the innovation. And digital forensics is an extremely useful innovation. One of the biggest benefits of digital forensics is the ability to reduce or even stop digital crime. Hundreds of court cases revolving around computer crime, and digital forensics has helped reduce the number so much. Digital forensics also helps quickly identify and extract certain risk criteria from the entire data population for further analysis, which means it stops bad data from spreading any further than it already did. Digital forensics also helps collect all the data from your computer that your own eyes cannot find to help show a more complete picture. Digital forensics is one of the most helpful innovations. Without it, the rate of computer crime would skyrocket, and there would be a lot less solved court cases. It helps uncover data needed, stops bad data from spreading, and helps finding computer crime. And the picture that you see here is found from Google, and same with these pictures down here, which shows a graph of digital forensics. Explain the impact that the innovation has had on society, economy, and or culture. Digital forensics is an innovation that had a huge impact on society, economy, and culture. As we know, digital forensics helps uncover data, piece information together that the eyes couldn't do by themselves, and help solve hundreds of court cases having to do with computer crime. Without it, our society and economy as a whole would go down. There would be a tremendous amount of businesses getting away with computer crime, which would also hurt our economy since everything wouldn't be legal and the government wouldn't be able to see all the things businesses are hiding over the computer. Another question is, indicate one field other than the computer science which is innovation is impacted or the potential to impact. Describe the impact. Digital forensics involves every career without you noticing it. Another career that it involves is police. Thanks to digital forensics, it has made their job a lot more easier. Many businesses try to be slick and do shady things over the computer, and the police try to take them down, but without digital forensics, that wouldn't be possible. They use digital forensics to take a business or someone specifically down for any crime that they did. Here you see a video that I made with WeVideo, and I had to interview a friend asking them how digital forensics has impacted their life and if they knew anything about it prior to me telling them about it. Here is also a video that I found on Google, and it talks about how computer and digital forensics is used as a career instead of just not. The next section is technical aspects, and here is the banner again. And in question E, it says, describe how a user interacts with the innovation. And the innovation digital forensics is an extremely useful skill. Many careers use this innovation since computers are used by every single business nowadays. Computer forensics investigators provide many services such as gathering digital information, investigating computer systems and data in order to present information for legal cases, and determining how an unauthorized user hacked into a system. When a digital forensics examiner does his job, it consists of many things. He protects the computer system, recovers files, even the deleted ones, analyzes data found on disks, and provides reports and feedback. So many things go into the innovation digital forensics that people are unaware of. Question F says, describe in detail how the innovations technology incorporates at least one of the big ideas of abstraction, algorithms, programming, and or the internet to accomplish its purpose. And in the innovation digital forensics, it incorporates the big idea algorithms. In digital forensics, hash algorithms is used for known file and evidence authentication. An algorithm is a set of rules for a mathematical process and can be graphically represented by a flowchart. A forensic hash is a form of a checksum, and a checksum is a mathematical calculation which in its simplest form adds up the assorted bits in data string and provides a value. And the next section of my website is relationships to data. And here again you see my banner made with Pixlr. And question G says, describe how the innovation consumes data as input, produces data as output, and or transforms data. And the innovation digital forensics consumes data through pictures, documents, fingerprints, software, surveillance cameras, etc. Digital forensics also produces data. When producing data, the digital investigator should have evidence assessment, evidence acquisition, evidence examinations, and they should also be reporting everything happening step by step so nothing is missed. Digital forensics also transforms data, and an example of that would be zooming in or cropping out a picture. Question H says, describe at least one data storage concern, data privacy concern, or data security concern related to the innovation. And one data concern that is constantly looked at through the innovation digital forensics is that when a digital forensics investigator is looking through a device for having to do with a specific crime, they sometimes exceed that and tap into the owner's privacy. There's some things that the owner of the device has the right to keep private instead of just their business privacy. The next section is references that I use throughout this website, and here's 3 is listed, and here it says the number, the author, the reference, and the year, and I did that through the HTML tags that helped me through the W3 schools,